Ramanatha was the son of a wealthy landlord who left him vast lands after his death. However, Ramanatha showed no interest in managing them. Instead, he was obsessed with a strange belief that somewhere there existed a magic potion capable of turning anything into gold. He spent all his time and money chasing this illusion, often falling prey to people who cheated him with false promises. His wife, Madhumati, grew increasingly worried as she watched their wealth slowly disappear. One day, a well-known sage named Mahipati arrived in their town. Hoping at last to find the secret he had been searching for, Ramanatha became the sage's follower and eagerly asked about the magical potion. To his amazement, the sage said he knew about it but warned that obtaining it would not be easy. The sage explained that Ramanatha needed to plant banana trees and care for them himself. During winter, he had to collect the morning dew from the leaves and store it. Once he had gathered 5 liters of dew, the sage would chant special words to turn it into the magical potion. Though the task seemed difficult and time consuming, Ramanatha decided to follow the instructions. With Madhumati's support, he began cleaning his neglected fields and planting rows of banana trees. He worked hard every day, tending to the plants and carefully collecting dew each winter morning. Meanwhile, Madhumati harvested the bananas and sold them in the market, earning a steady income. Years passed and their plantation flourished. After 6 long years, Ramanatha finally collected 5 liters of dew and took it to the sage. Mahipati performed a ritual and returned the bottle, asking him to try it. Excited, Ramanatha sprinkled a few drops on a copper vessel, expecting it to turn into gold. But nothing happened. Angry and disappointed, he accused the sage of cheating him and wasting his precious years. The sage calmly smiled and asked Madhumati to bring a box. When she opened it, it was filled with shining gold coins. Ramanatha was astonished. Mahipati then explained that there was no magical potion. The wealth came from Ramanatha's own hard work and dedication. By taking care of the plantation and working alongside his wife, he had created real prosperity. The sage admitted that he had used this trick because Ramanatha would not have believed the truth otherwise. Realizing his mistake, Ramanatha understood the true value of hard work. From that day on, he devoted himself sincerely to his land and continued to prosper through his efforts.